Welcome to My DHL Plus. In this video, we will show you how to reset your password. Please go to our website mydhl.express.dhl and select your country. Click Continue. Select Forgot Reset Password. Enter your email address and select the requested icon in the list. Click Submit. Check your mailbox for the Reset Password mail and click Reset Password. If you didn't receive your email, check your spam folder. Choose your password and confirm it. Your password must be at least 8 characters, contain 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, 1 number and 1 special character. Click Reset Password. Click Continue. You will automatically be logged in My DHL Plus. Thank you for watching.